Welcome back to iAutoAgent. This is Jason, and I am very pleased today to bring you this 1971 Cranberry Red Camaro Resto-Mod. As you can see, I'm about 4 feet away, and this car is showing no imperfections. Again, a 1971 Camaro with about 2,600 miles on it. As we come around to the back, you can see all the clean lines from the body. A very beautiful car. Coming around to the passenger side, we'll take a closer look at rims and tires. And as you can see, we have no curb rash. Great tread. And just an amazing set of tires for this vehicle. Coming around to the front, a very unique feature, which I will highlight for you now, is the split bumper. Really sets off the front of this vehicle. Again, driver's side tires, very consistent, in beautiful condition. Beautiful color. Now let's go to the inside of the vehicle. All of our gauges. Dash and interior is in great shape. The beautiful black color throughout. Coming around to the passenger side, again, we will see the condition of the interior is in great shape. Well, there you have it. Another beautiful car presented to you by iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.
Are you ready?